What is a seed phrase, and why do you need it? A seed phrase is a collection of words that can be used to generate a private key string in a crypto wallet. You will need to use it to access your crypto assets. If lost or forgotten, a seed phrase cannot be restored. No one except you has access to the seed phrase. Your crypto wallet support will not be able to help you. How does it work? A seed phrase usually consists of 12 words that are enough to gain access to your crypto assets. So if you already have a wallet and wish to access your assets in 1inch Wallet, all you need to do is open the app, click Import, and enter your seed phrase or private key. That's it. Never tell or show your seed phrase to anyone, and store it in a safe and secure place. Create a crypto wallet with 1inch today.